Thinking about going on a trip to Kashmir? Well, let's talk about the right clothes to pack for this beautiful destination. Kashmir, located in the northern part of India, is known for its scenic landscapes, snowy winters, and cool summers. The weather can vary significantly depending on the season you plan to visit. During winter, from December to February, temperatures in Kashmir can drop to sub-zero levels, and heavy snowfall is common. So, make sure to pack warm and layered clothing like thermal wear, heavy woolen sweaters, jackets, and snow boots. Don't forget accessories like gloves, scarves, and hats to shield yourself from the chilly winds. In spring and autumn, the weather is pleasant, but it can still get a bit chilly. So, pack light woolens, jackets, and a mix of long and short sleeves. Comfortable walking shoes are a must as you explore the beautiful valleys and gardens. Summer in Kashmir, from June to August, is mild and pleasant. Pack light cotton clothing, t-shirts, shorts, and jeans. Don't forget your sunglasses, sunscreen, and a hat to protect yourself from the sun. It's also a good idea to carry a light jacket or sweater as evenings can get cooler. Lastly, regardless of the season, rain showers are common in Kashmir. So, make sure to pack a waterproof jacket or umbrella. By following these tips and packing the right clothes, you'll be well prepared to enjoy your trip to Kashmir. Embracing the local weather and making the most of this stunning destination.